Hit it.
Yeah.
Hit that hole. Action.
Yeah.
Hide mode. Undercord. We about to tint the brake calipers.
How damn.
I mean, not damn. I'm sorry, y'all. Not tint, but
cut.
paint the brake calipers. Not tint them. As you can see, he's putting a big condom on the brake right now. A big condom. Safe sex. So we promote safe sex and violence at the same damn time. So part 2, they'll be painted red. What he want, and then we're gonna also tint the tail lights. So part 2 will have painted brake calipers and tinted tail lights. You got the shirt on yourself. Got some titties. Man. Anyway, another video. We're gonna cut this from Jay's 10 on Impression TV.
We out.